Welcome to SDN Tech Forum. Here we are back again with a very exciting topic, Meraki and ThousandEyes integration. Yes, in last video, you saw me build a Meraki network and then we added a Meraki uh, monitoring for a Catalyst 9K, right? So you can have your Catalyst 9K switches that you can monitor from Meraki dashboard. Now we are going to take a step further and create visibility into our Meraki network, obviously using ThousandEyes. If you are not familiar with ThousandEyes or you are not feeling up to speed, I have a ThousandEyes Zero to Hero series available on my channel. You can go and watch all the videos. They are pretty nicely numbered, so you can watch them in chronological order, where we are doing everything from scratch all the way to the advanced stuff. All right, coming back to the agenda, ThousandEyes and Meraki integration. Before we get started with the demo or building things, let's look at the documentation. And the documentation link is available in Meraki dashboard also, but I have it open for you. Okay, and let me open that. Yes, Meraki MX ThousandEyes configuration guide. ThousandEyes is a platform that brings deep visibility into customers' application and WAN infrastructure. This integration allows Cisco Meraki MX appliances to instantly activate ThousandEyes agent at unmatched speed, scale, and operation efficiency. That means using this integration, you can quickly roll out ThousandEyes agent throughout your network. How many network you have in a Meraki, how many branches you have, you can roll it out very quickly at this scale. All right. This is a typical flow. So you log in with a non-SSO, and I'll tell you about what is this limitation. Assumption is you already have an account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and request one, and then ensure the region of your Meraki dashboard is same as the region of your ThousandEyes dashboard. Basically, the data, GDPR requirements, and etc. If not matching, create a new org and set a region in the match the other. So these are some prerequisites. Solution requirement, obviously always cross-check your software and hardware before you start building any solution. So here the minimum firmware is MX 18.104 and recommended is 18.107.2 because that's a stable release. Which models are supported? MX 67, 68, 75, 85, 95, everything is supported. MX in NAT mode. So MX should be in NAT mode. Devices running in concentration mode is not supported. That means your branches, you can roll out agent at your branches, but if you have some kind of hub which is running MX in concentrated mode, you cannot deploy agent over there. Right. Meraki license. How Meraki license maps to the ThousandEyes feature. This matrix diagram shows that. So here you have ThousandEyes features or different knobs, and then here you have all the Meraki licenses. Say for example, if for this table, if you have advanced security only license in Meraki, what you can do, you can deploy agent, you can do test template. No, you have free ThousandEyes test. No, but you can visualize the result. And where you can visualize the result after integration, it's not the case that all the ThousandEyes data will start showing into Meraki dashboard. No, that's not the case. Test result visualization for all the license level, as you can see, it is set to ThousandEyes. That means Meraki will have a cross launch to your ThousandEyes org. And ThousandEyes licensing still work as same, so you will be consuming unit from your ThousandEyes account. Meraki and ThousandEyes account, SSO and SAML is not supported. That means when you integrate to ThousandEyes, you need to have a local login. You cannot use your SSO login for integration, and the different region which are available for this. The rest of the document you can go ahead and read is pretty much the same thing what we are going to do now. Okay, so let's start building our technology. Demo time. This is my network, and where I can find ThousandEyes integration, that it's a new feature inside configure active application monitoring. Here you can see we have active application monitoring powered by ThousandEyes, monitored network. I already have some level of integration. Some networks have agent deployed. For the once you have the integration, what you can do, you can cross launch using view application. Once you click on view application, it will cross launch to ThousandEyes. But let's go ahead and add more network here. Before we do that, let me go show you the settings. Setting is simple. It has just one tab, connect ThousandEyes, and monitor network is this. All right. So we are ready to integrate, connect ThousandEyes. And if you are wondering what documentation I was walking you through earlier, here, this is where uh, all the details about integration lives, configuration guide. So you can see the same document. I'm going to put the link in the description so that you can go to it and read it in detail. All right. At this point of time, we are ready to connect our ThousandEyes account. I'm going to say login, and there is no single sign-on login, so you have to use your local user. If you don't have a local user, go ahead and create one. Please refresh the page and okay. So what kind of user they are expecting here? The detail is here. Org admin are needed in Meraki dashboard. ThousandEyes at least account admin role privilege. So make sure that your the local user has account admin user privilege. So once you put the username and password, you will be shown like this, that account group, you are connected to your account group. I'm going to go ahead and proceed to the next. Select application, which application you want to monitor. So you can monitor different applications like Cisco WebEx, for example. You can add your custom application, or you can skip. That means you can continue without an application. Let's see what we have in custom applications. Can we select more than one? So it is asking us which URL, because since it is custom, if I go back and say Cisco WebEx and next, then it is asking me like what subdomain you want to monitor, right? So let me quickly um, bring one application. All right, so you can monitor your application or you can skip. That means you can deploy your agent without creating any test cases. But let me add a custom application. I'm going to say HTTPS, and this is a custom application, doesn't have. You can select network, which network you want to use, and we are going to use our network in this case. Sorry about that. Fix. Next, start monitoring. Get 50 tests with ThousandEyes. If you are a ThousandEyes trial organization, you can claim free test. Your organization is permanently converted from trial state to paid status. All right, we are good. I'm going to say get later because we are already a paid customer. So now you can see we have monitored network, and this network is actually uh, monitoring. It has not made a contact yet. Let me see the application. So this is the monitor application, and can we add more test? Next, Let's go ahead and add one more test. I'm going to say cisco.webex.com and then choose your network. Network 1 selected and start monitoring. Get later. So now you can see we have, then go to agent settings and see we have our agent here sitting here. So this is the new agent deployed, but it has not contacted uh, ThousandEyes yet. So we can see our private IP address 198.51, and then we have a public IP address, all those things. How many tests it is running? It is running two tests, like two HTTP server tests, one for custom application and one for WebEx, and this is showing offline. So it will take some time and it will just become online like this. So as you can see, when we completed the workflow, it has rolled out an agent, and where this agent is living, it is living on the security SD-WAN appliance or MX68CW here. Yes, as you can see, this has this is a monitor network, and let's go back to our ThousandEyes account, refresh this. Yeah, 1 minute ago. So agent has contacted just a minute before, and let's go and look at the test settings. We have created some tests. As you can see, custom application. Here is one of the test my agent is running. You can open that and we can say view once. All right. So the test data is not available because this is very new test agent and test everything we created. So allow it some time so that the test will be running and we can get unable to resolve HTTP to an IP address. Yes, so this may not be the best test. Let's go back and find our other test, which is cisco.webex.com. And for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my agent, find my agent, and see which test they are running. So we have two tests running. So click on selected and you can see WebEx-HTTP server. This is the test this agent is running. So let's go back to test again and type WebEx-HTTP-Cisco. We can directly view this test, or we can say run once, because it is using our MX68 to run this test. And you can see we will have the data populated pretty soon because the test is still running. Yes, test is completed. You can see all the test results look green, DNS, HTTP, send, receive, etc. This is the table view. Here you can see my agent is trying to reach out to cisco.webex.com, resolve the IP address, and the response code is 200. What was the redirect time, and etc. etc. Agent to server. This is the beautiful view. Here in this chart, you can see I'm here in my branch network and how I am traversing to cisco.webex.com. Right, so I can see all the hops in between, and this is my path visualization. Dependent application, this test is not associated to any application yet. This is a fairly new feature where you can add your test, attach your test to an application. But this is how simple it is. Simple workflow. Uh, let's go back and understand this one more time. What we have done, we have uh, we connected to this workflow, provided a username and password, and then we selected application. That's it. From there, this integration has automatically created the agent and the test for you. So that's how simple and powerful it is. If you happen to be in Meraki and want to look at your test, you can simply click on view application, and it will launch you, cross launch you to the Meraki, uh, sorry, ThousandEyes dashboard, and from there you can view all your test. Other thing what you can do, let's see the add test. You can add the test from Meraki itself. So that is really powerful in my opinion. You don't have to go to ThousandEyes to create a test. You can pretty much keep on adding new test from Meraki itself. So this is, in my opinion, it's a game changing thing. Now you have a Meraki branch which is monitored and managed from cloud, but at the same time you can have a granular visibility about how your branch is doing in terms of different applications, or even uh, yeah, on-prem thing. Everything you can get visibility by having this kind of integration. So I hope you like this video. This is sometime we do it live, so it increase the length of the video, but you get the real time experience, what are the pitfalls and other things when we do it live. So I hope you appreciate this kind of delivery method, and if you like it, please do let me know in comment section. Let me know what else you would like to um, hear or see from SDN Tech Forum. So keep watching. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.